Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Mont Blanc frame, MB0075O in color code 002. It comes with this black Mont Blanc case. Over here, we have a Mont Blanc folder. And inside, we have a Mont Blanc guarantee, international guarantee certificate card. We have a screw cutout. And a Mont Blanc microfiber cleaning cloth. It comes with a protective cover for the frame so it doesn't get scratched up. The color of this frame is gold. And on the side of the temples, we have a Mont Blanc emblem in black and white. And on this side as well. It is a transparent temple tip color. This frame is made in Italy. These are demo lenses stamped with a Mont Blanc logo in black. The style of the frame is rimless rectangular.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.